Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope all of you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Sunday School. This is Jalia Sultana, an assistant teacher on behalf of National Ideal English Version. Today I would like to take a computer class for class 3 students. Dear students, our today's topic MCQ for all chapters 1 to 50 and our lecture number 16, and today's there is no homework. So let's start our class. MCQ number 1, machine makes our work hard and difficult, easier and faster, C slower and above all. Machines makes work easier and faster. What does refrigerator do? Warms food. Option B, shows farms. Option C, keeps food cool. Option D, spoils food. Refrigerator do keeps food cool. Option number C is correct answer. Question number 3, in which computer large, big and heavy? You know that desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet computer, smartphone. In which computer large, big and heavy? You know desktop computer is large, big and heavy. Question number 4, what is used as a cell phone? Option A, machine, B, battery, C, monitor, D, smartphone. As a cell phone, smartphone is used as a cell phone. Question number 5, which one is correct? Laptop, smartphone, desktop, tablet, computer. Desktop, laptop, tablet, smartphone. Laptop, desktop, tablet, smartphone. D, smartphone, laptop, desktop, tablet. Option number B is correct answer, because desktop is bigger than laptop. Laptop is bigger than tablet. Tablet is bigger than smartphone. So question number 6, computers can work out sums than us, slower, faster, steady, moderate. Computers can work out sums faster than us. Option B is correct. 7, a computer gets tired. Get does not become all of them. Does not. A computer does not get tired. Question number 8, which is the first step to turn on the computer? Switch on the electricity. B, switch on the UPS. C, switch on the monitor. D, none of them. Switch on the electricity is the first step to turn on the computer. Question number 9, what is the computer screen called? Icon, desktop, battery or printer? Option B is correct, desktop or monitor. Number 10, what is the third step to turn off the computer? Option A, switch on the monitor. Option B, click on the start button. Option C, switch off the monitor. D, switch off the UPS. Option C is your correct option. Correct answer, switch off the monitor. Question number 11, how many main parts of a computer? There are 4 main parts in a computer. How many buttons do mouse have? 2 or 3, 3 or 4, 4 or 5, 5 or 6. You know that 2 or 3 buttons do mouse have. 13, which one is a storage device in following? CD or DVD, headphone, microphone and printer. Which one is a storage device? Storage device, you know, CD and DVD is a storage device. 14, all parts of a computer one connected to the dash by a wire. Monitor, keyboard, CPU, printer. CPU, all parts of a computer one connected to the CPU by a wire. Question number 15, a pen drive can dash type what pictures, movies and songs? Save. Answer is save, print, display, save or move, save. Question number 16, speakers are used for dash learn music, learning, B, displaying, C, remembering, D, listening to. Speakers are used for listening to music. A mouse is dash device. A mouse is output or storage device. Input on of them. A mouse is an input device. What is the brain of a computer? Monitor, CPU, scanner or mouse? You know what is the brain? CPU is the brain of a computer. Now question number 19, how many keys are there on the keyboard? 100 keys, 110 keys, 115 keys, 120 keys, almost 100 keys. 20, UPS stand for uninterrupted power supply, uninterrupted power energy. Option C, uninterrupted protocol service. UPS stand for uninterrupted power supply. Question number 21, a mouse is a drawing device. B, pointing device. C, storage device. D, output device. A mouse is a pointing device. 22, the scroll button helps to move right, down, up and down, the left. The scroll button helps to up and down. Option C is our answer. 23. How can you open the start menu? By clicking, by double clicking, by dragging, and all of them. How can you open the start menu? By clicking. A mouse click means pressing and leaving the left button. B. Scrolling up and down. C. Click right or left. D. None of them. A mouse click means pressing and leaving and left button. You can use this to open a window, right click, left click, double click, or none of them. You can use double click to open a window. Option C is our correct answer. 26. To type capital letters, press and hold dash key. What? Question A, arrow keys, space key, C, enter key, D, shift key. To type capital letters, press and hold keys, shift key. Now 27. Drag and drop means move to another part of a screen. B. Cannot move to another part of a screen. Move up and down, none of them. Drag and drop means move to another part of a screen. If you click an icon, it will be moved, selected, deleted, none of them. If you click an icon, it will be selected. Our answer is B, selected. 29. Which machine can perform many jobs? Computer, calculator, watch, none of them. It's so easy, that's it. Our correct answer is A. 30. The contents of the command menu very depend on where you have left click, double click, right click, A and B. The contents of command menu very depend on where you have the right click. Now 31. What we use to paint the computer? Program, pencil, notebook, a magazine. What we use? Our answer is A, program. Which button to press first to paint? All programs, accessories, click on Windows, click on paint. Which button to press first to paint? Click on Windows. Option number C is your correct. 33. How many main parts of a paint program? 2, 3, 4 and 5. Our correct answer is 2. 2 main parts of paint program. 34. Which tool will you draw the line? Pencil, color, brushes and ribbon. Which tool you will draw and line? Brushes tool. 35. The white portion on the paint screen is called dash area. Drawing area, color, toolbox, none of them. The white portion on the paint screen is called the drawing area. 36. You can select different colors from the dash groups. From color box, oval tool, eraser tool and brush tool. You can select different colors from the color groups. 37. The dash helps to erase. Pencil tool, eraser tool, oval tool, brushes tool. Erase, eraser tool. The rectangle tool is used to draw shapes, square, square and rectangle. Our correct answer, the rectangle tool is used to draw square and rectangle. It looks like a square and rectangle. 39. If you make any mistake, which tool do you use? Brushes tool, eraser tool, pencil tool, none of this. If you make any mistake, which tool do you use? That is eraser tool. Dash with the fill with color tool. The coloring with the fill with the color tool. Now question number 41. A computer can remember dash things. Many, small, many, little, tiny, many things. 42. Which computer can be easily carried? A desktop computer, B, laptop computer, tablet computer, none of them. Computer easily, laptop, tablet computer. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is a storage device? Microphone, headphone, CD, DVD or speaker? CD is our storage device. 44. In which device do you find the necessary information? Monitor, speaker, storage device, headphone. Storage device, we find the necessary information. 45. A dash can print words, numbers, symbols and pictures. A printer, print, display, monitor. Your answer is printer. A printer can print words, numbers, symbols and pictures. 46. Which of the following device do we use for typing? Mouse, monitor, CPU, keyboard. So we use device do we use for typing? Keyboard. 47. The most commonly used mouse has a wheel in the center called a scroll wheel. Option number B is our correct. 48. The least commands that opens the right clicking the mouse is called the dash, button, menu, icon, tool. The least commands that opens on right clicking the mouse is called a menu. Option B is correct answer. 49. Which of the following tool helps to draw? Pencil tool, eraser tool, color tool, brushes tool. Which of the following tool helps to draw? Helps to draw was a pencil tool. Okay. What can be done in the drawing area? Draw and color, write, color, none of them. What can be done in the drawing area? Draw and color. Our correct answer is A, draw and color. Dear students, hope understood today's topic. And today's topic is MCQ all chapters from all we cover today 1 to 50 from chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6. So today's is there no homework. Practice at your home for half yearly examination. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.